Thanks for checking out the Cannabis Transparency Project. Real quickly, I'm going to walk you through using this web application to view various information regarding i-502 Washington State License Cannabis Testing Labs. Recently, BioTrack dumped some of their data. Anyway, so this is all testing lab data over the course of about 7 months. I think it was sometime last year, 2014 June, that is where the data starts. So this is we're looking at the at aggregate data for all testing labs on a per product base. So flowers were tested. Flowers were tested. We can look at their THC, THCA, CBD, and total percentage. So this is the THC percentage that they tested for flower. All testing labs average, standard deviation, variance, max, min, sum. On the left side, you can look at a list of all labs and the amount of lab samples that are included. So all lab samples are about 13,000. Analytical 360 has 2,400, and Confidence has about twice as much as any other. The next, analytical, it's the next largest amount of samples. So Confidence has the most samples, so let's just take a look at their data. When you look at it, the detailed view of any lab, you'll see the same view as you did on the aggregates of all testing labs. So now we're looking at flower lots, average for Confidence analytics. So we're looking at the potency tests, by the way. There's also solvent, moisture, micro, and foreign tests that we can look through. So hydrocarbon flower lot is the name of the product type. These graphs look a little different than the potency ones. Potencies have a little more work done on them as of now. So micro, these are the amount of samples that were tested and the averages. We only have the averages for the other values. Potencies have a little more. Clicking on any of these will take you to the graph for this sample set. The graphs for the sample set. So if we wanted to look at flower samples, now we're looking at all of the flower potency samples that Confidence Analytics has provided. And this is over the time frame. You can use this focus chart to narrow down some of the times. Flower lot, that's just that same bar. Click on here to look at different graphs of the same information. You could also look at aggregate graphs for the entire. This one you're able to filter out a few. So we can take out total, THC, and CBD values, then look at just THCA lab samples over time. Scatter graph time is a little off, so it's using the percentage right here, but it's just the ordinal, so it's in order, or the Unix timestamp. So we can go back to all testing labs and look at all aggregate data as well the same way. Yeah, cool. That's about it. There's a lot of information that you can, I guess, look at freely. If you have any questions or want to get in touch or want to work on this project, you can contact me at will@canexchange.com. Check out a company I work with and created a lot of the web application side of things for is the Cannabis Commodities Exchange. And you can find out more about myself, Will, at willfarley.org.